You'll be alright.
Now, if you pass out with only the sound, that's not
That would be first also.
What?
Give me a little star.
Like this head record?
You can't quit either.
Yes, just try and focus on your breathing. Just relax, think happy thoughts. If you ever need me to stop, just let me know.
Okay.
Just hurts for a little bit and then they usually let up.
Alright, I'll just do one line to get you started and we'll go from there, right?
Yep.
Lead this line.
Okay. Not bad at all.
Not yet. That's just the outline. You'll be fine.
Yeah. That part of the done.
Probably just Carter in there. Yep.
Orange pop. Woohoo. That was a feel.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's actually not bad. Bad if you watch it.